Raccoon dogs can climb trees, swim, and dive underwater. Raccoon dogs live in Europe and Asia. Although they look similar to raccoons, they are not related to them. These animals are omnivores and are active at night and part of the day. They have a lifespan of 6 to 11 years. They are social animals that live in pairs or small groups. Raccoon dogs have poor eyesight but an excellent sense of smell. This helps them to find prey, especially when hunting at night. This mammal lives and hunts in pairs or with a small family. A social group of raccoon dogs is called a pack. They try to avoid being seen but will become aggressive if they feel threatened. It's a mammal with a mask of fur on its face that makes it look a lot like a raccoon.